I'll let mom know. Yep, I'll let mom know. Okay. All right. Thanks. Take care, buddy. Good. Glad you got one. Walk around. You get work. You get tired. Sweat.
I'm not buying it.
Neither is anyone. Saturday you should shoot double.
Actually, this was a strange one. Usually, I think I do that.